What up people, welcome to One to Step YouTube channel, and if you guys are new to this channel then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on. Let's move into the video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can use the Runaway Aurora filter. Alright, so basically you guys can get this filter in TikTok, but you can as well, so you guys might get confused in what I'm trying to say. So what I'm trying to say is, to use this filter basically you need to go on your Instagram, alright, and after you use the filter on Instagram, you download the video and you upload on TikTok. So you guys might get confused hearing it, so let me just show you guys. Okay, so you go on your Instagram. Once you go on your Instagram, you create a video using Aurora filter just like this, as you guys can see. And after you create the video, you can download this clicking at this button at the top. As you guys can see, I can just click at this button and download the video. Just wait for some time, the video is downloading, and the video has been downloaded and it's saved on my gallery. Now you guys might get confused, you guys don't know how to get Aurora filter in Instagram, so it's pretty simple. So let me just go back over here. I can go to my profile, I can click on this plus button, click on story, and once I click on story, I'm going to go on Instagram's camera just like this. Once I'm in Instagram's camera, I can scroll at right until I see this thing over here, this search button looking thing, and I can click on it. Once I click on it, I can click on this search bar over here and then search for Runaway Aurora. Once I search for Runaway Aurora, all the filters are going to be over here. You can choose whichever filter you want, but I personally like the first one, so I'm going to click on the first one, and you can see the video. This is how the filter is going to look like, and I like it, so I'm going to click on try it. Once I click on try it, the video is going to be available over here, and you can shoot the video using this filter and then download it just like I show you before, showing how you guys can get this filter. After downloading the video, it's going to be available in your gallery just like this. After it's available in your gallery, the other thing is easy. You go on your TikTok, you log in into a TikTok account. Once your TikTok opens up, you want to click on this plus icon. Once you click on this plus icon, this thing opens up, TikTok's camera. Once TikTok cameras open up, you want to click on upload. Once you click on upload, you want to choose the video which you just downloaded from Instagram. After choosing the video, you want to click on next. Click on next again, click on next again. And you can add title to your video, but I don't wanna, so I'm gonna just click on post, and the video will be posted, and the Runaway filter on TikTok will be used just like this. So it's that simple. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit the like and subscribe button with notification on. And if you guys have any question, drop it down in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And that's basically how this filter looks like. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.